How about a super soft cut crease that you can create in less than 5 minutes because it's that easy using only 2 eyeshadows? Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. If you've always struggled with cut crease, here's a super easy one which you can wear every day because it gets done so quick and it's so easy. So I can't wait to show you how it's done. So without further delay, let's begin. As always, I'm starting with my brows and I'm using the Precisely My brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4. And why do I like this pencil so much? It's because of the micro tip. You can draw really fine hair-like strokes and it looks very natural. While you get those sharp and thin hair-like strokes, you never have to sharpen it because it's retractable and it also has a rich blendable color. And I love the fact that it's also long wearing and waterproof. There's a spoolie in the back, so I'm going to use it to brush my brow hair so everything spreads across evenly. And then using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows. I'm using a flat concealer brush. This is from Doe Color. And then I'm going to spread it out with a concealer brush from Real Techniques. If you have oily lids, I would suggest using a primer instead of a concealer because concealers also have oils in them. And if they go up on your oily lids, sometimes they secrete more oil and it's going to combine with the oils on your lid and your eyeshadows won't last long. I'm going to lightly set this with a translucent powder by one size to prevent this from creasing. From the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to first dip into a deep brown shade to carve out my crease. And the easiest way to do it is to use an angled brush. I'm going to stamp this eyeshadow in the outer corner, extending my lower lash line, and then I will take it to my crease. Once you've taken care of this step, everything else is super simple. I'm going to use a blending brush, dipping into this lighter, dusty, rosy brown shadow. I'm going to blend this out. I'm doing this to soften it because you don't want that harsh line there, and take your time. You don't have to do it in one go. It doesn't happen that way. So take your time and slowly build upon that color and blend it out. Keep buffing till it's really soft and nice. Then I'm going to use a larger blending brush. This is the Sigma E40. I'm taking a little bit more of that lighter brown eyeshadow and I'm going to keep buffing it out till it gives me that nice blown out look. To create an illusion of a larger lid space, I'm going to use a little bit more of the translucent powder and I'm going to clean up my lid space. Using a flat shader brush, I'm going to use that translucent powder to cut my crease exactly where I built that crease using the first deeper brown eyeshadow with the angled brush. As you can see, my lid appears so much more bigger than before because I've used a lighter shade on my lid and deeper shades at the crease. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first use the deeper shade of brown, and over that I'm going to use the lighter shade of brown using a flat definer brush. That looks nice and smoky. It's time to finish up with some eyeliner. Instead of using a black eyeliner, I want to keep it really soft and nice, so I'm going with a brown eyeliner by House Labs. The easiest way to apply eyeliner is extend your lower lash line to do the outer wing and then stamp the eyeliner on your lash line using your lash line as a guide, and then all you have to do is fill in the gaps. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lash Princess by Essence. I don't really use false lashes every day, but if you do, you might as well. What I do is when I have a look like this, and if I want to amp it up for an evening party, I just touch up my eyeshadow and I will use a lash that is really fluttery and nice. Here's the finished eye look. It takes me less than 5 minutes and sometimes I don't even apply the eyeliner, so I get done in a couple minutes. I'm going to pair this with a nude lip combo. I'm going to start with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Fetch. And then I'm going to fill in my lips with the Lip Gloss Balm by Bare Minerals in Sincerity. If you want to know how not to make your lipsticks wash out, especially the light ones, I have a video for that. I'm going to link it right after this video in the end screen. It's a pretty cool one, so do check that out. And here is the completed look, my friends. I feel like it looks so classy, so neat. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are all listed in the description box right below this video, along with all the products that I used today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.